Today I'm going to be doing a room tour because my last video I said I was going to do an apartment tour, and then I realized that the apartment's not something really to brag about. So I moved it to my room because I spent a little bit more time decorating my room and I take pride in it, and I hope you guys enjoy. So follow me. Alright, so here is the bathroom. Nothing fancy here. Just some little cactus pictures and some nice towels, but it's definitely my aesthetic and I like it. Alrighty, so on to this side of the room. Right here I have this like 3-shelf bar thing on wheels. I don't know what the technical term is for this, but it's really good for storing all of my different girly items, such as my hair tools at the bottom, my makeup, and all that jazz, like all the stuff that I use on my face daily. And then up here is a little jewelry holder and a mirror and some clips, and yeah. And then above it I have this amazing little wall decor piece that says the struggle is real, because it is. And then above we have some nice little Polaroids, because amidst the struggle we still have fun. Alrighty, so then on to my dresser. It's, again, nothing fancy, but I like that it's black. I don't know why, I just do. And I'm not going to show you like what's in the drawers because they're not very well organized. But yeah, and then above the dresser we have my TV, and this little cactus thing, which used to have a lot more plants back in the day, but they all died when I moved here. So these are the survivors. So they're not looking the best, but we're making do. And then when we go past the dresser, just have this chair and a clock that doesn't work, and a little cactus because I'm kind of obsessed with succulents. And then again we have some more survivors. Please don't look at the middle one. She's not okay. And Adam's gonna zoom in here nice and close. Yeah, we're trying. So then over here we have this big elephant that I absolutely adore. I've thought about coloring it in before, but that would take way too long. So I just like that it's black and white and just add some character, you know. And then after the tapestry, we have my little thing. It's just like a picture, and then these two mirror decor pieces that I really like, but I haven't found something to like hang on the little drop-down shelves. So that's how it's looking right now. But I like that it like grounds my bed, and it's kind of like the back piece of the bed, or like the center piece maybe, I don't know. And this is my bed. It's very comfy. These pillows I picked out myself. You know, I tried to match to this awesome blanket. Literally everything in my room, the whole design scheme that I came up with came from this blanket. And it's from Adam's sister, and I just love this blanket. I love color, if you can't tell already. So yeah, that's my bed. Alrighty, so now we move to the other side of my room. Right here is my desk. Do I use it? I don't know. But it's there, and it's very good for storage. Right here, I just have a blanket because if you haven't noticed, there's a ton of blankets in here. We live in a colder climate, so it snows and it's chilly, and definitely need some blankets. And then over here we just have some more decor. My brother's album. My brother's a musician. He's really good. And then we have a diffuser, a lava lamp that is my favorite, but I have to get the lamp, buy a new replacement bulb for the lamp. Thanks, babe. So then over there I have another little decor piece. It just tells me the day, and I really like it. I don't know why, I just really do. And then, ooh, this poster. This poster right here. This is a gift from my boyfriend. And at the time, we only had Jada. So we got this at this like little fair thing and just couldn't pass it up. I mean, come on. That was us, you know? That was us. So it's a good one. Okay, so then over here, last little bit of the room, we have this nice little picture frame collage that I got from Target, I think, and I love it so much. It goes in my room really well, and I just like the whole collage thing going on. And then we have a fan, a heater, because why not? And then over here I have another poster. This is really cool. I actually think that when I got it, I was just like, oh, it's cool waves. But I actually think, like, if you look closer, you want to come closer? I think these people are on boats. I think these are people on boats, and I don't know if it's okay. I don't know if this is okay, or if they're not okay. But I'd like it still. So then, right here, my favorite all-time thing in my room, because, you know, you just need a nightstand, okay? And it's just, it holds everything I need, all my necessities. So, you know, you got a cup, an alarm clock, a little picture, my jewelry that I like to wear on the daily, lamp, and then down here we have this cool glasses holder. I love it. And then an actual glasses case, because, you know, you need that for traveling. And back there are all my perfumes. And then at the bottom we just have some books that I don't read, and a little pink dog that has all of my bracelets on it. And that's it. That's my room. I like it. I don't know. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, that's about it. I'll talk to you in the next video. And as always, I'm sending positive vibes from me